It's giving everything that it's supposed to give. Hey, what's up, boss babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the human version of the headband wig. If you're new to my channel, what's good? My name is Lee Poitier, and this is Life with Lee.
Don't forget to come and pick up your feelings. Don't leave no pieces.
If you have not seen that video, definitely click the card above. But today we are finally reviewing the human version, a 20-inch deep wave human wig. Prices will vary depending on the length you get, but it's 150% density despite. I did order it through Amazon. All the details will be in the description section because I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the brand's name. But it came in this pink plastic bag. Inside, a nice wig cap, which we love. A business card with description on how to work that thing. And it came with a couple different headbands as well. So that's great that it's optional, because when I got the synthetic one, it was just a leopard. That's all you had to rock. Watch that video and you'll understand what I'm saying. So that's all that came in the bag. Here she is. Gorgeous. Look at that. The curls alone, like, beautiful. It does have a little scent to it, but most of them do, as I always say. Like, definitely wash them once or twice and leave a deep conditioning just to get that scent from the factory out. It does say that it is machine made, so it clearly makes sense why it has a scent. Unfortunately, I know that's so weird that we're so used to that. For me, I pray over my wigs. I decontaminate anything that could have come along with the journey that it went through. I don't want that. Back to the wig. It's 20 inches all the way down. A little bit. It's not a full 20 inch, but it's definitely not one little one. So I like that. Rubbing my hands through it. Very soft. The curls are popping. Obviously, the more I pull my fingers through it, the bigger the curls will get. And I want you all to see how she looks on straight out the package. I still have my sew-in in from my Florida trip, which I'm currently now in Georgia, so my sister will be my model today. It has a black basic headband, which in my opinion, you can wear as is. It does have some nice stitching there along the hairline, and underneath it has two combs on the side, one in the middle, and it has one in the back as well, along with a nice thick headband. So we love the combs and the headband to keep the wig secured, okay? Period. So stay tuned for more. You already know. Hey, what's up, boss babes? All right, so my sister is working really hard. She will not be able to be my model for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a wig cap over my sew-in, and we'll go ahead and try this wig on. One thing I would like to add is that this part is a little flimsy when you're taking it on and off, if you need to. Because my hair is a little fuller, I had to unlatch it. Here's the first put on. We were able to get it over my sew-in. Look how gorgeous these curls are. So beautiful. It's been dried out for like 2 days. I haven't run my hands through it too much other than now. So I want you all to see how she looks first glance. Mind you, I do have a whole sew-in, so it's a little bit bumpier than if I just had braids in my hair. I want you all to see how she looks. So very beautiful. Now I'm gonna run my hands through it a little bit. Of course, the main thing and difference between the synthetic and human headband wig is the human hair, because you can wet it and reset it. And I love the fact that it comes all the way right here. Again, if you just want to do your baby hairs and keep it moving. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous wig. If you see any straight hair, it is my sew-in. So if it comes forward, that's what that is. They do have the option where you can order the headbands on Amazon in packs and choose your styles. I love this wig. It is so beautiful on the go too. I love a quick wig that you could put on and don't even have to worry about your baby hairs. I'm covering my baby hairs right now. It still looks bomb. But of course, if you wanted to, you can pull it back, style your baby hairs, and make it look even more natural like that. So this is really gorgeous. Okay, so let's pull her up a little bit and see. Here's a beautiful half up, half down look. I love this. This is so beautiful. If you're thinking about getting a human version of the headband wig, I can only speak for this curl and this unit, but I definitely recommend it. It will last you longer than the synthetic version. You can wash it, put it up, and then pull it back out when you're ready to use it again, and it'll just last you longer and you'll get more bang for your buck is what I say. And it's gorgeous. Who doesn't like a quick weave that you can put on and it looks as if it's sewn in? You can pull your headband back a little bit more, style your baby hairs, and it looks just more natural. Like, oh, I just threw on a headband just to style it and profile it. So I'm loving this wig. For all the details on this wig, they will be linked down below in the description section. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what's good, what's poppin'? My name is Lee Poitier and this is Life with Lee. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you already are, what's good, what's poppin'? Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on another product review. And these looks that we've been coming across, bomb. That's all I'm gonna say. So hope you all having a dope summer. This is your girl Lee Poitier. I'll talk to you in the next video. Later.